So today's question is, when movies or TV shows say humans only use 10% of their brains, etc., is that actually true? And if so, how do we know and why is that the case? No, it's nonsense. The idea that humans only use 10% of their brain is a common myth and is not supported by any scientific evidence. But you are right. It is widely perpetrated in popular culture, including films and TV shows, but it's not an accurate representation of how the brain functions. In reality, the brain is incredibly complex, and different regions are responsible for various functions. And I suppose it is true that certain areas may be more active during specific tasks. The brain as a whole is constantly active, even during sleep. And, we can observe this using fMRI, which lets researchers observe brain activity, and they confirm that the entire brain is utilized in different capacities. Now, I'm not a neuroscientist, and honestly, I don't know a great deal about neuroscience, but possibly the myth may have originated from a misinterpretation of early neurological studies. Who knows? Because early neuroscientists found that only a small portion of the brain's neurons were firing at any given time. But of course, this does not mean that the rest of the brain is completely inactive or unused. In reality, different regions of the brain are active at different times and work together to perform different cognitive functions. But as I say on this channel all the time, just because you believe it doesn't make it true. And just because huge numbers of people believe something also doesn't make it true. This is simply collective belief and mass delusion. Although I suppose there are some people who only use 10% of their brains. Conspiracy theorists and flat earthers and what have you. They certainly don't strike me as if they're firing on all cylinders, do they? But who knows? Maybe it is true in that situation. For most of us, no, it's not true.